Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. I've got a Windows folder open here. Here you can see I have, what do we have here, 8, 10 or so sheets. And it looks like all of these are rotated 90 degrees from whoever printed these. So I'm going to show you how we can rotate those all at the same time rather than opening each one individually rotating. Again, we're going to go up to Batch. This time we're going to go to Rotate Pages. I am going to click on this one and remove it. I'm going to go to Add, and all of those are in the same folder, so I'm going to select Folder. And I'm going to go out to my Presentation folder here. And I'm going to go to Rotate Pages. And all of those documents are in here. It's just telling me that I'm in that folder. So I'm going to say select folder. It's going to bring in each of those documents separately. And then I can tell it to rotate. This time I'm going to say counterclockwise, 90 degrees. And I'm going to say OK. It's going to say you are about to save changes to multiple files. Do you wish to continue? Yes, that's exactly what I was hoping to do. Click OK. And let me bring that window back up. And now you can see inside of that folder, all of those have been rotated and saved without even opening them. So that's the power of some of these batch tools. We can manipulate multiple drawings or documents at the same time without even opening them. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.